What's up, guys? Welcome to MyHeaven channel. This is Dennis. Today we are in Summerlin, filming the beautiful new community by Pardee homes called Terra Luna. This is a large house, residence 4C. It's almost 3,300 square feet, and you have 2-car garage over here and another 1-car garage over here. So you have garages for 3 cars basically, or you can use one in storage. Also, this community, it just opened up about a month ago, or even less, and it's located right next to a brand new elementary public school in Summerlin, which just opened up as well. So it's an awesome location if you have kids. Okay, so this house is really nice. Starting price, something like 640 grand. And this model has a ton of upgrades. So probably another $250,000 in upgrades. So this house is close to $900,000. Hey, how's it going, guys?
Excited for this one.
Oh yeah. This house is really cool because it has a very unique feature that I bet you've never seen anywhere else. It has a refrigerator with a very special feature, which I'll show in a second. So you come in with this giant great room. You have a dining and a TV area together. You have your
extra tall ceilings.
staircase that goes up. By the way, guys, if you are new to MyHeaven channel, please subscribe. Please leave a like and comment, and browse the channel for there's a lot more housing tours available for you to see, like really cool houses. Okay, so what I promised is a really cool feature which you've never seen anywhere else. I bet. It's a refrigerator that's completely unique. It has a built-in coffee machine, built-in Keurig machine right in your refrigerator. So you can actually make coffee from your fridge. You know, let me know if you've ever seen that anywhere else, because that's definitely the first time I see
really
it.
Cool. It's a GE
Yeah,
fridge here.
very nice.
Check it out.
Very nice refrigerator. Comes with coffee built in. If you drink coffee, of course.
Yeah.
Oh, you can always have, if you have a lot of guests come over to visit, you can treat them for coffee as well. So here's your pantry.
Oh, it's a whole cafe line. So all of the appliances are GE cafe.
See, they emphasize coffee here because there's even more coffee on this countertop. And you kind of have this like shelving instead of some of the cabinets. So you actually get less kitchen cabinets than you would otherwise, but I'm sure it's an option where you can customize it to have more cabinets.
Beautiful marble backsplash you get to see more of.
Yeah. Okay, so you have a giant sink and very large kitchen countertop. It's an island. You can even, you can even have four people dine here. So that's really nice.
Yeah, you have this big
You have
stainless
lights.
steel farmhouse sink. Yeah, those lights are, those pendant lights are really cool.
Really nice.
Here's your, it's even a cafe line dishwasher.
This is built by Pardee Homes, which is a luxury home builder and one of the best in the country. Very high quality homes. I actually know some people that own Pardee Homes for the last 20 years, and the homes have held up really well, really good quality. So very few issues in terms of like repairs and like insulation, stuff like that. So it's a beautiful backyard. You have a really nice pool.
Yeah, and there's a jacuzzi on the other side.
Very nice. I like this. This house is really nice. I like it.
Yeah, it's a covered backyard.
And you're right next to this giant mountain, so you can be chilling in your pool and chilling by the mountain.
Covered
The
patio.
only downside being next to the mountain is that it's often going to be windy, because it's going to be pressure drop between the mountain and the plain. So you're going to get winds quite often in here, I would say.
You want to go see the master?
Yes. So this has a master bedroom on the first floor, which some people like and some don't. So I guess if you have adult kids and you want your kids to be upstairs, if you want to have some separation, you have a master bedroom separate in the first floor.
If you got little kids,
Yeah.
then they're either with you.
Yeah, because you obviously, you have little kids, you don't want them to be upstairs by themselves.
If they're upstairs, they're going to be crying
So here's like they have angled ceilings.
Yeah,
This is a
nice.
pretty large master bedroom, like very large. They have a giant bed, and you have these
Ooh, that's not...
side. What are they called? Side stands?
Oh, nightstands.
Nightstands, yeah, yeah.
That looks like wallpaper. It's
Ooh.
actually mosaic.
Check out jacuzzi, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, I love jacuzzi. And the pool right next to
Yeah,
it.
it's like an infinity pool.
Very nice.
Really cool.
Jacuzzi, baby. Yeah, because this community is gated, but there's no pool. So if you have your own pool and your own jacuzzi in your backyard, that's awesome, especially for summertime. And this community is right next to new elementary school. It's also next to a water park.
Water park and a middle school next to the water park. And
Yeah.
there's a big park as well.
So, from my experience, this is a prime location. You know, being next to a school, you know, this real estate will always be in demand because there's a school right next to it. So there's always people around it. Okay, so this is a giant shower
Wow.
with two
Ooh, look at this tile.
two heads right next to each other.
So this tile is, it's vertical instead of horizontal, but instead of doing your traditional subway tile, it's the 3D beveled tile.
Nice.
Okay.
So we have two sinks over here, two mirrors.
His closet, there's another.
Yeah, there's a
This
small.
closet's in the bathroom, the other
I
one's in
mean,
the bedroom.
they give you like a tiny closet for the guy. I mean, this is just so unfair.
Well, some guys have more clothes than women, or shoes.
Yeah.
They're a huge shoe collection.
This is very.
So, I guess it depends.
This is very small closet. I mean, not a big fan of it. So, check out the flooring here. That's actually a pretty cool tile. Very nice.
Yeah, I
And
like
you
the
have-
tile, so they
They have a separate toilet here. Okay.
brought this tile in from the great room
Yeah.
into the master,
Yeah.
and it's again, probably a printed porcelain, or I don't know if it'd be ceramic, but it looks like hardwood, but it's tile.
Nice. Very nice. It's a little storage area here.
Well, that just has that system.
Oh yeah, so there's a little storage area here.
So,
So we're back to the kitchen here. You know, with the beautiful refrigerator with the coffee machine built in. Yeah, let's check out the view from the couch. So if you come home and you want to relax and watch, you know, my Heaven channel on YouTube, you just sit here, turn on some YouTube, and turn on some My Heaven channel videos. Really nice. Okay, so let's go see the rest of the house. It's really nice, really beautiful.
yeah, so here's the garage door to the two-bay garage, and this is nice because you're right next to the kitchen.
Yeah.
So when you're bringing your groceries in.
Yeah,
Some houses, the floor plan will be the garage is really far, and you kind of have to walk through a bunch of rooms. So
what else do we have out here? We have
we
a,
have a little coat closet in the front here.
nice. And then if we go
And
this
there's a
way,
half bath.
there's a half bath. Really nice. Tall ceilings with a crown molding on top.
Oh yeah, it's
You
dark
can even
brown.
see, you can actually, there's a staircase and you can actually see the cutout.
Yeah,
This
this
is
is perfect for little kids.
Really
you just,
nice.
You just put some of their toys and some pillows and
Here's-
stuff down there.
Another storage area under the staircase.
Or that would make a little playroom. Kids love playing under the stairs.
Yeah. And you have a laundry on the first floor, which is, well, I guess since you have a master bedroom, on the first floor,
Yeah.
so you have a huge sink here.
Yeah.
Hey, boo boys.
So excited.
Hi, say hi. Hi, so excited. He's tired and hungry.
Yes, tired and hungry.
Okay, so
Diaper change.
we have a laundry here. Let's see. Oh, here's another bedroom. So you have two bedrooms on the first floor.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Interesting.
That's pretty cool.
So see how they're doing the dark trim, and the closet doors are dark. The doors are dark. It's kind of almost like it's brown, but it almost has a little bit of
Okay. You have your own bathroom as well.
Wow, this is crazy. So again, you have like a marble tile.
It would be better if the toilet was separated.
Yeah, but
but-
this is just a really small.
So it's they kind of crammed everything together into a small space.
You don't want your guests to stay forever, do you?
Depends what kind of guests, you know, you get. Hope-
Yeah, that's crazy. So you have the half bath. Well, I guess that's smart. The plumbing is back to each
Yeah,
other.
yeah.
All right, let's go upstairs.
So now we're gonna go upstairs, guys.
Yeah.
I'm pumped. I'm excited. You know, I want to see what's upstairs. This is a pretty cool house. I mean, they're basically asking about $200 a square foot, and you have additional fees. You're paying $241 a month for HOA and Summerlin community fee, plus the SIDS, you know, which is a special tax for developing this community.
Wow.
So you're probably paying,
Holy.
you know, almost $3,000 a year for HOA and SIDS
Wow.
and the Summerlin community fee. So
Check out this bedroom.
here's your staircase. Let's see what we got here. Really tall ceilings here, so that's nice.
Check out this room.
Wow, look at the
This
ceiling
is
height.
insane.
This ceiling height is just out of control. Wow. Here's your bedroom.
Yeah, that paneling is really cool on the wall with the
Very nice.
like again that really dark.
There's like sliding closets. Not a big fan of those, but at least this one is a little deeper.
But this has its own bathroom and it's huge for not being like a master. This is like the size of some people's master bathroom.
Wow,
It's crazy.
it's pretty large.
Tub is a little small, but kind of short.
I don't like that the toilet is in the middle of the room.
Yeah.
It's not separated at all. So that's a downside.
But if it's your own bathroom, then you know.
Okay, let's see what else we have here. We have the tub. Very nice.
Somebody's getting tired.
Okay, so let's go see one more bedroom.
Somebody's getting tired.
Oh, you can
Sucking
play.
it down.
Crazy, like pictures of microphone ladies. Look at the ceiling height again. I mean, that's crazy. Even though it's angled, it's still extremely tall. It could be like 14, 15 feet, you know, that ceiling height.
So this is the lounge, and this could be a fifth bedroom instead. But this is crazy.
Wow.
Yeah, it's so nice, right? Oh, look at these shelves with little built-in LED lights. And a sink here, a little mini fridge, ouch. And a patio. Oh.
Look at balcony.
Yeah, a little balcony here.
Yeah. You get your view of the elementary school.
Yeah, and this house has this, like, you have these big, like metal posts instead of the thick stucco.
Very nice ceiling. The ceiling fan on top. So let's sit down on the couch here. Is it the Beatles?
Yeah.
Wow. You ever guys seen a picture like that? It's the first time I see that picture.
Who knows? It could be famous in
Unless it's just like
the Beatles.
Photoshop, yeah, or something.
No.
You never know, man. Nowadays. All right.
Yeah, this is nice. So you can turn this into a fifth bedroom. Lots of bedrooms in this house. So you have this door, which is locked.
Okay. So
And
there's
then
one
you
more.
have This little, what is this? This little like thing
Oh,
here.
probably storage.
It's
So
interesting,
yeah,
right?
here's the view of the staircase, guys. By the way, it's very interesting.
Wait,
Okay, so this is the last bedroom right here.
no.
There's two bedrooms
This
here.
is a 1, 2, 3. It's a 5-bedroom. plus
Oh, it's a
that.
5-bedroom
Yeah,
house.
It's crazy. So they got it wrong.
So here's your shared bathroom with two sinks.
It's
Cool.
kind of crazy mosaic.
Yeah, that mosaic
It's
is
kind of small, like maybe too small of
That's-
a pattern.
too much for me personally, but
Yeah.
you know, maybe somebody likes it.
Yeah.
Again, toilet is not separated, so that's
Yeah, but that's fine.
not really.
They're not all gonna know that.
Okay, so you have
Oh, this is a big bedroom.
bedroom here
They
with
put a nightstand and a desk next to it. And there's still some space.
again sliding closets.
And another fake MacBook Air.
Yeah, man. MacBook Air is always turned on.
Oh yeah, Jumanji.
You can see that these are the lots of homes they're gonna be building right next to the models and right next to the giant mountain. Okay, guys, one more bedroom left. And then we'll be done with this housing tour. It's a large house, 3,400 square feet, man. That's a lot. 5 bedrooms. That is crazy. That is crazy.
I've seen this treatment done somewhere else. Was it another Pardee or a different builder? Where they do the stripes over the bed. That looks really cool.
Get the view. There's a water park, by the way, guys. See if I can zoom in.
Oh yeah.
There's a water park.
That thing looks crazy. Like, if you can actually see how tall that slide is on the right side, I don't understand how little kids can do it. Oh, and from here you can actually see the little community park. I don't know if you can see the little strips of
Yeah,
green
there's a
grass
little park right there.
And there's some play equipment there. It's not huge, but and then next to the water park there's a red building. I don't know if you could see that there. It's a huge indoor swimming place where you can go and pay a
Nice.
couple bucks to go swim.
Okay, there's a walk-in closet. Pretty cool. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far into the video, you're amazing. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please leave a comment. See you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.